Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing y'all how to make these kid bathrobes. They were easy, took a little time, not a lot though, but they turned out super cute. So stay tuned. Okay, so this purple fabric came from Walmart, and all you're gonna see me do right here is face right sides together, and then I'm gonna place my patterns on the fold. So we're gonna start out by cutting out all the pieces. So you're gonna cut out the front and back, the sleeves, the belt loops, and then the belt. So I'm just gonna show you all how I did that. So here I'm just placing the back pattern on the fold. I actually used this same pattern for my back and my front piece. And now I'm doing the sleeves. So again, you just cut out two sleeves. And then next I am going to cut out the belt loops. I believe I did the belt loops, I want to say 2 by 3. I'm not sure. I kind of really just kind of eyeballed it. But I'm pretty sure I did it 2 by 3. And with the belt loops, you're going to cut out 3 pieces. So you're going to sew 2 on the sides and then 1 in the back. And remember, when we pin things down, we pin them right sides facing each other. Okay, next we're going to do the belt, and I believe I show you all 26, yeah, 26.5 inches, but I end up making the belt a little longer than that. I think I end up doing like 28, almost 30 inches for the belt. And then you just gonna cut that out. So I did 30, and I think the width was about 2 inches. And now I'm just gonna do a straight stitch, sewing everything down. So I'm gonna start with the belt, and then I'm gonna do the belt loop. And then with the belt, we had to leave one end open in order to flip it right side out. So after I flip it right side out, you're going to see me go back and do a straight stitch to close the belt on the other end that we left open. Okay, now we have the front and back pieces. In order to have the front be open, you're going to cut that at an angle at the top, as so where I'm pointing to, and then cut all the way down like on the fold, and then it'll give you 2 pieces. So this is the back, and then what I'm about to open up are is the it's the front, and then it's I've already cut it. I cut it off camera, but now I have 2 pieces, and I'm going to pin the shoulders together. And again, you want to make sure you're letting the right sides face each other, so the wrong side is what is on the outside, if that makes sense. So then, like I said, I'm just going to pin down the shoulders, and then I believe I just do a straight stitch on the shoulders. Okay, and now that we have the shoulders sewn together, now we are going to attach the sleeves. The sleeves are pretty easy to attach. So with the sleeves, you want to center it up so it should be like a point in the middle of the sleeve. I matched that center point up with the seam of the shoulder, and then I just pin it going straight across. So I pin one side of the sleeve and then I pin the other side. And I do a zigzag stitch with this part because it just looks more neat. Like it looks better than a straight stitch. So yeah, just pin it down and then do a zigzag stitch. Okay, so as you can see, I already have my sewing machine on the zigzag stitch setting, and now I'm just gonna sew it straight down. Okay, now that we're done sewing down the sleeve, this is what it should look like after you're done. And basically the hard part is done. Now I'm gonna hem up the sleeve, so I just folded the sleeve over probably like a half inch if that, and then I'm just gonna do a straight stitch all the way down. Okay, and then this is what the sleeve should look like once you're finished. Okay, and again, make sure that the right sides are facing each other once you pin this down. You're just gonna pin down the sleeve and then the side seam, and then do a straight stitch all the way down. Okay, and once you're done sewing down both sides on the robe, you're gonna hem up the bottom. So just like we did the sleeve, I think it was like a half inch that I pinned down, and then to hem up the bottom, I'm going to do a zigzag stitch all the way through. Okay, and then this is how the bottom turned out. And now we just need to attach the belt loops. I attached the belt loops by doing a zigzag stitch again. With the two belt loops I just placed on the side seams, and then the third one I just placed in the middle, made sure that they were all lined up together, and then that was it. And then your robe is all done. Okay, and after this clip, I did add some pictures of my nieces in the robes. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.